Hello students, once again here myself Mansi ma'am. So today we will do or practice or practically do the inserting the image hyperlink and navigation as I already told in the previous video. So in that I had done a theoretically explain the practical. So today we will do the practical of inserting the image hyperlink and navigation. So let's start. First of all, open that composer. Over here, I had given the hyperlink. So it is opening directly in the composer. You have to download the composer in your computer or laptop. So this is, as you see, the composer screen. Composer is open over here. So now today we will insert the image, then we will create the hyperlink, and then we will do the navigation. So first of all we will insert the image. To insert the image, click on this image. After that the image property will open, and that from the here image location, the one browser file is there. Click on that browser file. Select any one image from your file. Suppose I am taking this clock and click on that open. So image location or path is set on this image location. Now use this, do not use alternate text. If you select this alternate text, the image will be compressed and it is not inserted. So select this point or option, do not use alternate text, and then press OK. The image is inserted. Okay. Now save this page by clicking on the save. Save by name or number as per your wish. Here I will taking 1 and OK. Save it on the desktop. It is automatically converting to the .html. So no need to add .html. Directly click on the save. Okay. After saving the first page, it will be firstly, it is come in the untitled by this yellow color. After saving that, red color is gone and the number saved by the 1. Okay. And now, after that, create one page. By creating one page, we will click on this new. So click on this, the new page is created. As I told right now only that when we will not saving this page, it is come into the untitled. Now over here we will write something about this picture only. That is a picture is of some clock. So write down some information regarding this image. Suppose we are writing clock, and here I mean just copy paste for the more text. You can write your own information, but over here I have to give some explanation. So I'm writing just simply. If you want to edit it or resize it or giving the color, you can select this text. Okay. After this, over here the option is that there is body text. You can resize that. Okay. Or you can also give the text style. Over here I'm taking, suppose this one, increase size by this numbers. Okay. Give the bold, italic, underline effect as per your wish. Give the change and color as you can give, and OK. Clear? So which effect you will give, it will be effective. Now over here the second page we will save. So again click on the save, give the page 2. Over here I am giving the name as the 2 and OK. Save it on the desktop and save. Okay. Now both these pages are saved. First page is saved by the page 1 and second page is saved by the page number 2. So over here I am writing below this image, suppose the clock. Now after writing this clock, select this clock and image. Okay. Now right click on that and select this option, create link, or otherwise you can directly click on this link option. Click on that, the link property will be open. in this link location we have to select this page location will be page 2 because we have to navigate this image to second page. So from the first page we are currently present in this first page, we have to create the link to the second page. When we click on the clock, text or image, it will navigate to the second page. So click on this browser file. Now over here we will choose the second option. You can see the first file and second file both are there. Okay, so we will select this second one and open. You can see the link location will be set by the 2.html and then press OK. Okay, you can see the link is created. When link is created, after that the image or text, whatever you have selected, it will be converted into the blue color. That means there is a link. Now after changing in this page, this red button or red color point is displayed. So again it means that after saving that page, we have done some changes, so its changes is unsaved, so we have to save again. So click on this save, so it is disabled. Now already we have saving the first and two page both. Now we will go to the browser, so click on the browser and output will become in the browser file. You can see the browser file is open. Over here the title is 1 because we have saved by the 1. So when we click on this text or the image, it will navigate to the page 2. So let's see. Firstly we will click on the text. It will navigate to the second page. Okay, and over here the 1 is converted to the second. Now again we will go back and here we will click on this image. It will navigate to the second page. As you can see, the hyperlink and navigation is done. This process, by clicking on the image or text, it will navigate or go to the second page. This process is known as a navigation. Okay, clear students? When we click on this clock, text or this image, it will navigate to the second page or another page. That means this process is known as a navigation, and this is an hyperlink. So we have done how to insert the image and how to create the hyperlink, and this hyperlink is go to the another one. This process is known as a navigation. You can add one more image as per your wish. So practice it at your home. If you don't know anything, just you can ask me without fear. So till that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.